So when you download the data, this is the kind of table you see. Now I've formatted it for ease of use. You get progress, activity ID, name, whether or not the WBS matches between the two versions. This lets us know scope creep, current start and start difference, current finish, finish difference, duration, total float, baseline start and baseline end. Now what that enables us to do is very quickly understand the start difference, which is simply just read from the table, and the end difference, which is simply read from the table. Now what I've done to keep things very simple is I've calculated the duration difference. Now obviously if you have multiple calendars, this is a little more tricky, but I've kept it simple right now. Now what I can see in this the start and end difference, if I go equals average of everything in this entire column here, and make that smaller, we can see that activities are on average delayed by 78 days starting, they're delayed by 79 days finishing, and on average they take an extra 0.7 days longer to finish in this schedule right here within construction. Now, what we can also do is filter on progress and see just the activities that are completed. And that is where we're deriving this data from. So we can see this data set here. Now, these invalid dates here, these are normally driven by scope. So if we take out all of the ones that are only current, you'll see that all of the invalid dates. So this is scope creep, which I'll come on to in the next video. But very quickly with this kind of technique, I can start to hold people to account on their delivery performance.